In this video, I'm about to show you how to claim a YesStyle birthday gift on the desktop website. YesStyle Elite Club membership lasts 1 year, starting from the join or upgrade date and ending 12 months later. There is no membership fee associated with the YesStyle Elite Club or the club. Creating a Yes account and logging in automatically enrolls you in the Elite Club. No additional sign-up purchase is required. Creating multiple accounts for multiple YesStyle Elite memberships is strictly prohibited. It may disqualify memberships and refuse orders or benefits for inappropriate activity. Member will be issued a member card in My Account and select Account Summary. YS points are calculated based on USD spent on YesStyle purchases, excluding coupons, reward codes, shipping, tax, and point used. 100 points can be redeemed for $1 during the checkout process. YS point cannot be applied as payment to an order after the order has been placed. There are 4 ascending membership tiers: regular, bronze, silver, and gold. Membership upgrades occur when cumulative spending at YesStyle meets the required threshold within a specified period. Cumulative spending is the total spent on YesStyle in USD or equivalent, excluding coupons, shipping, taxes, and YS points. Refunded or cancelled order will be subtract the refund amount from the member's cumulative spending. Upon gold membership expiration, total spending during the period determines final cumulative spending. YS points have no cash value and cannot be redeemed for YesStyle credit. These will be credited to a member's account after orders have been successfully fulfilled. Membership levels, YS point, and club benefits are not transferable and may not be used by the registered member. Misuse of membership benefits may result in suspension or withdrawal of club benefits. Any changes or modifications will be effective immediately upon posting the revisions on YesStyle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.